Ready to change the look of your new Switchback Knit Sandals? Your sandals come with 2 extra strap colors so you can switch up the look and make them your own. First step, you'll need to remove the original strap. Start by disengaging the switchback hook. Then loosen and unloop the tightening strap. From there, just begin pulling the webbing out of the sandal, working it back through the slider, through the heel loop, and around to the medial side. Keep following that path until the strap is fully removed. Now you're ready to install your new strap. Start by feeding the webbing through the locking loop at the switchback hook. Then guide it through the knit loops near the forefoot. Next, take it through the first slider from the bottom, pull it through, and set it into place. Continue threading it across the sandal through the knit guides. On the lateral side, run it through the second slider, this time starting from the top and looping it down through the bottom. Then finish it off by securing it through the final loop and locking it in. And that's it. You're all set with a fresh new strap color.